a good wash this morning. Morning all. I'm back at Ouse Fen this morning. It's a beautiful morning. A bit mistier than I thought it was going to be. But it's lovely, yes. I'm hoping to catch some bearded reedlings again, but just going to go for a walk and see what's around, so I'll catch you in a bit. It's quite a long way away, but I think it's a Marsh Harrier. So far no bearded reedlings, but we're carrying on round. The light has really gone a bit dull now. So I'm back at the exact spot that I saw them in last time I came here, and I've just seen a female. She's disappeared for now, but I can hear them. Just sat down to have a snack, and I'm picking up a bearded reedling. There's somewhere in there. Oh, I can see one flying. Okay, don't put you down. It's gone very quiet now. It's I guess about 9:45. The light has gone really dull in the last hour or so. But Yeah, quite quiet. I didn't see the bearded reedlings any more than that last tiny bit of footage that I got. So, unless anything happens between now and the car park. So yeah, just want to say thank you very much for watching. And if you haven't already, I'd love it if you could subscribe, like, share, comment. That'd be great. Have a good day. Bye.